guys, welcome back to our channel Alpha Stars for You. My name is Melvin, I'm a fitness trainer. So guys, we have come back with a challenge which is known as FFH, that's called as Fitness from Home. So this challenge is divided into 3 stages. One is basic, intermediate and pro. We will be releasing 3 series of videos every weekend. Today we are gonna talk about basic stage exercises and I will be showing you full body workout. I will show you full body workout which you can do it easily from your home. Without any delay, let's go ahead and start the workout. But remember guys, you have to warm up when you start this workout. We are going to start with the first exercise, is push-ups for beginners. And when you're doing it, make sure you bend your knees and lift your feet up. This will help you to gain strength on your upper body, and remember guys, this is for the beginners. So let's go ahead and start with the second workout, crunches. Crunches helps you to burn your upper abs. It helps you to burn your upper abdominal fat. I know it sounds old school, but trust me, old school works. Make sure you breathe in and breathe out while doing it, as that's the key. The last exercise of the day 1, squats. It strengthens your core and reduce the risk of injury. And the proper way of squat exercise, make sure your knees should be straight to your toes. Alright guys, this is the end of the day 1 exercise. Make sure you take proper rest. Let's go ahead and start the day 2 exercise. We are going to do Indian push-ups, lower abs and spot jogging.
Indian push-up workout, they help build up the muscle in your upper body, your tricep, your shoulders, abs and chest will benefit the most. Lower ab workout, it helps reducing your belly fat and it reduces lower back pain. This workout also improves body posture when walking, standing or sitting. Sport jogging exercise, running in a place elevates your heart rate, improve blood sugar levels and burn calories and fat, all which helps with the body weight.
So this is the end of the day 2 exercise. Make sure you give proper rest to your body. Without any delay, let's go ahead and start the day 3 workout. We are gonna do diamond push-ups, cross crunch and jumping squat.
Diamond push-up workout, which are excellent to increase the mass of the tricep. They impact on inner chest as well as the front deltoids. Cross crunches exercise targets the both abs and the abdominal muscle. This exercise helps to strengthen the waist and tone the abdominal wall. Jumping squat exercise, it improves upper and lower body strength and burns calories faster than the regular squats.
With this 3 days workout, we have come to the end of our video. Make sure you take rest, eat healthy and stay fit. We'll meet next week with our second video of our Fitness from Home series. Till then, keep supporting us, subscribe our channel.